All right, these are just my Ritz crackers on my greased pizza pan. All right, I have my pot on medium. I'm gonna put 2 sticks of butter. And then I have a cup of brown sugar that's gonna go right in there with that butter. Woo, perfect. And we are just gonna whisk this until that sugar is caramelized and that butter is melted. It should take about 5 minutes. We want it to start boiling, and we are gonna have a delicious caramel topping. This is so easy and so delicious. It just takes a few minutes and you get such a great topping for those Ritz crackers we just placed on our pizza pan. Okay, let's let this cook up. All right, it's starting to boil. We want to make sure we keep it mixing so it doesn't burn. We really want this to bubble up and just get the perfect consistency. We don't want any grainy sugar in there. It should take about 1 more minute of stirring. So this is all ready, and we're gonna pour it right onto our Ritz crackers. Ooh, look how delicious that looks. And it's okay if it doesn't get to edge because it will expand when we put this in the oven.
It smells delicious.
This is gonna go in the oven. Our oven is set to 375 and it's gonna be in there for only 10 minutes, okay? Look at that bubbling deliciousness. Okay, you guys, this is almost ready. We just gotta be super careful placing it down. We don't want any of that delicious caramel to fall off. Okay. Our next ingredient is gonna be these delicious Hershey's milk chocolate chips. Now you could do a dark chocolate, a white chocolate, a peanut butter chip, a butterscotch, whatever your little heart desires, but I love milk chocolate with this dessert, so that's why I grabbed these delicious Hershey chips. And I'm gonna use this whole bag, okay? Because we want a lot of chocolate flavor here. Just try to get it evenly distributed onto our Ritz cracker caramel little treat here. Oh my goodness, it smells incredible. It smells like a salty sweet sensation. Okay, almost done. Just get all of those chocolates. So they are starting to melt right on top, but I am gonna pop this back in the oven for like 2 minutes just to really get those chips fully melted, and then we'll be on to the next step. Okay, look at those shiny, delicious chocolate chips. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little spatula and some Pam, and I'm gonna spray my spatula with a little bit of Pam just so when we spread those chocolate chips, it doesn't stick too much to our spatula. Look how gorgeous that looks. Oh, those chips melted perfectly. This is exactly what we're looking for. We got our salty, sweet, delicious holiday treat coming together so beautifully. We're almost done. I have one more thing I'm gonna throw on top of this before it goes in the fridge. Oh, doesn't that look amazing?
Whoa, it looks velvety, smooth, and delicious.
Yeah, just try to get all of those Ritz crackers covered to the best of your ability with that delicious Hershey's chocolate chips. Perfect. Now, to make this extra festive, I'm gonna pull out my holiday sprinkles, and you guys know I'm gonna use these cute little Christmas trees because I mean, come on. And we are just gonna get some sprinkles on there before that chocolate hardens. Okay, that's not working. Gotta really shake it to get that cuteness on there, but you know what? It's gonna be worth it. Look how adorable those sprinkles are. Now, obviously you can skip the sprinkles. You could do a nut on top. You could do those Heath bar bits on top, whatever you like, put it on top. But you guys know I love my sprinkles, so we are gonna sprinkle it up. And then we just got such a cute little Christmas treat. So delicious, great for parties or kids. Okay, that looks cute, right?
It looks amazing.
All right, now we are gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 hour, you guys. All right, so I actually left this in the fridge for 2 hours, but it looks perfect. Let's go ahead and undo our foil, take it off of our pan, and then this foil should just come right off because we did grease our foil. This is the foil. We just gotta peel. Oh yeah, look how beautiful that's coming off. Oh, Perfect. A little sticky, but nothing stuck. Oh, look at those Ritz crackers. Oh my gosh.
That's
okay.
crazy.
Now for the best part. Gotta use your muscle. And we crack our candy.
Oh, that's why they name it that.
Yeah, that's where it got its name. Okay. And we're just gonna get, small pieces, big pieces, cut it however you want. Oh, this is just so fun. And this is the part where your kids can come in and help. They can just help you break the pieces up because, isn't that so fun? And look at those Ritz crackers. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so tasty. Oh my, look at that winner. That looks so good. Okay,
Looks
let's
perfect.
go ahead and give it a try. That is my favorite one yet. You guys have to try it.